backyard. Need to pick up some beans because they are growing good this year, but if I let them stay too long, they kind of became too hard and almost not easy to eat. And that's why I'm here. I'm going to pick up some beans here. Green bean. Okay. Oh, it was butterfly. Wow. I knew I would bring the camera to take some pictures. Look how this one goes. Ooh, there's a big one, but there's a wasp as well. Look how big this one is. Beautiful. Okay. Look at these two together. Oh, I didn't see that. There was lots of them. But with green beans, I also have some regular beans that I need to pick up, and I don't know. Look at this one. You see, this one is, I think it's called wax bean. It's like green beans, but is yellow. And this is the one that I was talking about. If you let it go too long, it kind of became too dry
and hard.
But there's some seeds inside that I will probably take out and cook. But they need to be taken out. Like this. Oh, I lost one. Okay. I think this one is done. I may have some on this. And they are way past the time to be picked up. And I just missed the time.
Too dry.
There you can see they are way past the time to pick up. Okay, and here you can see this completely, I missed the time to pick them up. They are all dry, and I think even this plant needs to go out. It's completely dry. There's one more here. Okay, I think I have enough for today's lunch. I'm going to cook them and eat them. Today's OMAD meal. Green beans and beans as well. What I have? Green beans, I have wax beans or yellow beans, and I have regular beans.
And you got dry beans.
There you can see this dry bean. They are black beans, and okay.
You can see them.
Yeah, I like them. They look good, but they are not fresh green bean. That means they probably need to be cooked. Well, they are not as dry as those that you buy in store, that you need to kind of cook long, or you need to put them in the water, to soak them in the water before you start cooking them for several hours or even at night. I think these are a little bit softer. Software. I was a software tester. Okay, I will go and take out all these kind of dry beans, and then I will go and prepare green beans for cooking.
Yeah.
I have these green beans, black beans, and white beans all washed and ready, and I have here stock that I made from chicken stock and cooking pasta in it as well. And now I'm going to put these beans in it, and I will boil them for a couple minutes, and then after that I will probably saute them. I have my green beans and regular beans blanched, and now I'm going to saute them right here. I blanched them a little bit longer because of those black and white beans, because they were a little bit harder than these wax beans or green beans. But I think they're going to be okay. Okay, I'm sauteing my green beans and the beans as well. And I put a little bit of butter here just to get a little bit of richness in this. Looks good and smells good too. And I'm also going to put a little bit of roast beef that we had the other day. We have some leftovers, and I'm going to mix them with this. It's going to be a good OMAD meal. There are these roast beef pieces here, and some carrots, and also we have a scoop of rice here that we'll just go and fry it a little bit. It's going to be fried rice, green beans, roast beef, OMAD meal. That's it?
Yeah, you can turn it off and it will continue cooking.
Smells good. I am ready to taste my today's OMAD meal. OMAD means 1 meal a day, and that's what I eat for 3 years now. And here I have this green beans, wax beans, and the regular beans from my garden that I blanched first and then sauteed it. And then I added these leftovers, roast beef and scoop of rice, and that's going to be my meal for today. First I'm going to try these beans, because I'm very concerned about beans not being cooked enough.
They're crunchy.
They're a little bit, I mean they're cooked, but they are maybe, when I saute them, they kind of get a little bit hard, especially black beans. But still, I like them. Green bean. Another green bean. So good. And this is wax bean. Also very, very tasty. I think this is good. It's something new. Beans that I needed to pick up from my garden, and just kind of made some kind of dish, and I think it's pretty good. Thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.